Well, here's a couple other social media people.
Yeah.
And ¿cómo se llama?
Javier.
Javier, mucho gusto. Mi nombre es Chris. Budget Traveler Chris on YouTube. Let's get Max on here. Give me some light. Look at that, eh? ¿Cómo estás, Max?
Very well. Welcome.
And look at this, eh? Cooking the oysters and the pulpa, the octopus.
Something very, very good.
Oh yeah, look at that, eh? You get the action of the popping charcoal. Gotta like that.
En unos 5 ya estoy listo en la mesa, Javier?
So what do you call this here, Max?
Well, you see, these are 2 different recipes of oysters, with oysters, zarandeado, which is adobo with some mustard and mayonnaise. And this one is a Rustico recipe, truffle oil, mushrooms, and mix of cheese.
Wow. Very interesting how you're cooking it on the fire like this. You've got your mixture right in there. Look at that, eh? Wow. And then in here we got, what do we got in here going on? We got some rice?
No, that's a sauce.
Sauce, making the sauce there?
Sauce.
Excellent.
Yes.
Give me the thumbs up. ¿Cómo se llama? Eddie? Me llamo es Chris. Mucho gusto. And then you cover it.
Yeah.
Let it cook a little bit more.
Yeah, because they are too big, so a little bit more.
That's the bonus of having them big. Hey, you got to cook them a little bit more. And here's their bar here. Hola, ¿cómo estás?
Welcome.
¿Cómo se llama?
David.
David, me llamo es Chris. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto.
¿En este es su bar aquí?
Sí, con Martín.
Martín. ¿Cómo estás, Martín? Mucho gusto. Very nice bar you have here. You make a nice pina colada? Excelente. And here's where they prepare everything right here. And Max is the master chef. He's been working since, what, 14 years old?
4 years, my friend. But in restaurants since 13.
Wow, that's very good. And you worked at the Rustico Sunset Restaurant.
Yeah, and some restaurants in Puerto Vallarta, all around.
Excelente. Well, we made a video of Rustico Sunset Restaurant last year, and we really enjoyed eating the pulpa there.
Beautiful.
It was very good, yes. Oh, that looks good. What's in there?
These are meat. I call it migas.
Miga.
Special preparation. Well, it was an accident, but it's delicious.
It's accidental, delicious creation.
Mashed potatoes, some cranberries. So they are crispy a little bit.
Those would look really good.
Oh, they are.
Oh, delicious. Can't wait to try them. I think they call them fritters in Canada. Similar to fritters.
Fritters?
Potato fritters. Deep fried potato. Mashed potato with other things. they plate them up. Wow, look at that, eh? It's pretty good. What do you call this here?
That's seared tuna.
The tuna, the seared tuna. Beautiful. What a beautiful presentation. And Esta here we have
Seafood enchiladas.
seafood enchiladas. Look at that, eh? Wow. And it's a busy kitchen here. We got lots going on here. Very coordinated team working together here. Look at that, eh? Wow. Nice. And what do you have there?
Octopus, ceviche
Oh.
style.
Wow.
Some caviar we're gonna add on the top.
Nice.
Escamoles.
Wow.
Let's
You have
go.
you have some really nice recipes here, Max. I really like it.
Gracias.
And these are all going out to the table now. And we got some social media people here, and here's their dinner. Say hola, everybody.
Hi.
Hi. ¿Cómo se llama?
Sofía.
Sofía.
Sí.
Me llamas Chris. Mucho gusto.
Mucho gusto. Nice to meet you. Great.
Nice to meet you too. And you too?
Javier.
Javier, mucho gusto.
Yes,
And look at that, eh?
it's a cool.
And the pros are bringing the lights. You gotta love it.
Wow.
You see everything so good with the lights, eh?
Thank you.
Enjoy, you guys.
Thank you.
And this is where it all happens, in this small little kitchen here. And this small little kitchen is where all the magic happens. Oh, look at that, eh?
Oysters
And that's
ready.
the oysters. Look at that. That's beautiful. That's like a masterpiece, eh?
Oh.
You gotta like it. So pretty, you almost don't want to eat it, eh? And maybe you can explain the name of your channel and social media for the people watching. What's the name of your channel and your media?
Puerto Vallarta
Puerto Vallarta Online. And here they are, folks. Puerto Vallarta Online. Nice professional setup with their lighting and everything. And lighting is so important, especially when it gets a little dark, eh? And microphones are handy. Very nice. And there's Max. He's the master of all this master creation here.
Wow.
Still practicing, my friend.
He's been working at this for many years.
¿Cómo puedes decir que practicas la opción? Nunca he probado eso. Wow. Quiero grabar mi lección, de verdad.
¿Con cuál quieres empezar?
Vamos a empezar fuerte.
And the painting in the back wall is by Roberto. Hey, where's Roberto? Working?
Oh, Roberto's working.
Yeah, and he did the beautiful painting behind Max there. Not finished yet. Still work in progress, right? Wow, that's just gorgeous presentation, eh? Gotta love it. And this is at Rustico in Puerto Vallarta, where you never know we're gonna be, or where we're gonna be, or who we're gonna see here on BudgetTravelerChris.com. And that's Vallarta Online. And they're interviewing Max here now for his restaurante. And this is it, his restaurante, Rustico. Hola, ¿cómo estás? And there's the sign for Rustico. It's Cocina y Mar y Barrasas by Vallarta Tropical. Stay tuned to Budget Traveler for more new and exciting videos from Port to Vallarta. You never know where we'll be or who we'll see on BudgetTravelerChris.com.